So I'm sitting in a comfortable spot now, so then I paused and I was just looking at the roof, and it really is still looking fine. The aluminum it's not really doing anything. It's I think it's the way it was when I put it down. You know, some ripples here and there. You know, it's going to expand and contract. It looks like it's good and tight across the ridge there. I like my little ridge peak there. The one thing I probably should not have done was I had nailed these in right here along this edge where I didn't finish, and these nails are just not holding good. One came out, and I seen one was up a little bit. So in hindsight, I think next time I'll just put screws in here and then pull them out when I'm ready to do the ridge cap like I did here. You see, so yeah, that's probably what I'll do next time. Just that way I can just pull them out, unscrew them, and then screw in the new piece. So when we come to do this, I need to I'll have to put my things in here to walk on, and I'll have to make sure they're secure, and then I have a spot here to harness off with right there. I think you can see it right here. So that's in there really good, so I can harness off to there. But then I need a walking spot here. I need to put my walking things onto the roof before this is done, so I can come back down. But I'll probably... The beauty of this process is I can start at the top and work my way down. So what I'll do is I'll have to put in my ice guard / walking steps as I go down through the roof, so that I can walk back up, unhook myself, and then go back down. So I'm kind of thinking through this now that I'm up here. It is after dark, but I got my headlight on, and we got we have a light right there, a street light right there, so I can see pretty good, especially with the headlight. Now the tricky part over here, you see how steep it is? Oh, I'm really not looking forward to that one. You know, I'll be harnessed in, but man, it's like straight up and down. Not straight, but it's more than a 12 pitch. So I'm not looking forward to that. The good thing is, once I figure it out, I can fix the chimney on that side because it looks really bad. You can't see it from right here, but the chimney needs to be surfaced like this side is here. It might not look nice, but it's solid. So I need to do that. I'm probably going to have to bring some other brackets for the roof, some other roof brackets. I wish I could bring my lift, park it on the street, and come right up here, but those power lines, I don't know, I think they're in the way or close to it. So, and then I got the same problem. Well, actually, the one's not a power line. Okay, that must be a cable just to hold, yeah, a support cable. Apparently, yeah, I think it is a support cable, because it goes really low over here onto that telephone pole. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know. It'd be tempting to try the lift. This side might work because it's higher over there. But this is a long ways. It's a 3-hour trip down here. That's 6 hours on the road with the lift. Not really what I want to do. Scaffolding isn't really going to help here either. So I guess it's going to be roof brackets. Fortunately, I guess I could reach it quite a bit from sitting on this roof, working over here. So there's still going to be some tricky spots. So, well, we got time to think about it and do some brainstorming. Okay, but overall, the bottom line is this roof is looking really good. And this isn't a bad time to look at it because in the daylight, when this is sunny out, it's so bright because it's white. Literally, I think it is bright white. Okay, let's get down carefully, get our tools put away, and call it a night.